The story of Stitchwise is a story of hope and of innovation. It is also a story about defying convention, as Natalie Kalassi and her team challenge the conventional thought that social entrepreneurship and profit cannot work hand in hand. Based at the heart of the deepest gold mines on Earth, Stitchwise employs mostly paraplegic men, victims of devastating mine accidents. Any oversight in safety underground can result in floods, fire, mud rushes and fall of ground. Accidents that injure, maim and kill.
The men that work at Stitchwise are visible reminders of the ever-present dangers underground. They spent years extracting the rough ore from underground, and they've rebuilt their lives into shining examples of gold by developing their skills, and they are now manufacturing a safety-critical product that saves the lives of their friends underground.
With the physical damage came mental challenges too, as these men desperately tried to adapt to their loss of mobility. Like the rough ore, it would take adjustment, refinement and polishing to bring out the best in each of them and add real value to their shattered lives. Now they have become the most shining examples for disability, and to Stitchwise, they are fine gold. In 1996, Natalie started a project teaching these men a new skill: sewing. Together with husband Tim Kalassi, Natalie and their team devised ways of adapting sewing machines and overlockers for use by the paraplegics. They also worked on changing the mindsets of these men and encouraged them to see themselves not as disabled, but differently abled. Soon a handful of men undergoing training became a roomful, and a roomful became a commercial proposition. A social project became an entrepreneurial undertaking as orders grew and the demand for a variety of products increased. Of the current workforce, over 50% are differently abled. Hearing stories from her employees as to how they had been injured, Natalie started investigating the underground safety systems on the mines to see how she could contribute to their improvement. Deep-level mining is unique and demanding. Once gold-bearing ore is extracted from shafts and tunnels underground, the excavated areas need to be filled or supported to prevent the earth from collapsing into and around them. Historically, this was done using wooden pallets, and today backfill bags of varying standards are widely used. Natalie felt that there was room for innovation and improvement. 2 years of research and development and in-situ testing in the world's deepest mine, approximately 3.6 kilometers underground, resulted in a technological breakthrough. Backfill bags, which are scientifically structured to withstand enormous pressures and necessary leakage, were developed to fill the chasms left underground by blasting. These innovative bags have proven highly effective in reducing seismic events that lead to rockfalls and potential tragedy. Today, Stitchwise prides itself on being an industry leader in safety equipment in South Africa and operates out of 3 premises in the heart of the country's gold mining area. Backfill bags, bulk bags, modular bags, arm and knee guards and safety wear all form part of Stitchwise's extensive range, helping to save limbs and lives every day. Social entrepreneurship lies at the heart of Stitchwise. Employees share benefits through a shared trust. Training is its backbone and its strength, from basic sewing skills to entrepreneurial and computer skills. There are just no limits for any employee who wants to keep developing and growing. The skilling of people doesn't stop when the day's work does. Employees enjoy participating in a number of sporting activities, from ball games to darts and wheelchair racing. Outside of the daily work environment, Stitchwise is also involved in charities and trusts. The Timbertwig Nursery School in a nearby mining village is operational thanks to a trust fund set up by Tim and Natalie, and has given hundreds of preschoolers the skills to go to primary school with all the confidence in the world. After working hours, twice a week and at no cost, Natalie takes a group of aspirant businessmen through their paces as she equips them to understand business basics and the essentials of small business principles. When these migrant labourers return to their homes around the length and breadth of southern Africa, they take with them the necessary skills to start their own small businesses. And importantly, they take with them the ability to mentor others, enabling skills to be passed on from village to village.
Stitchwise lives by its mission statement, matching people's differences to business opportunities to create wealth for all.
From a turnover of 200,000 Rand in its first year to the multi-million Rand enterprise that it is today, Stitchwise is growing from strength to strength. Entrepreneurship has been linked to the recognition of the differently abled and linked to viable business propositions, resulting in profit and benefit for all. The Stitchwise story offers tangible and visible evidence that social entrepreneurship and profit are not mutually exclusive. With determination, skill and a socially responsible approach, the business undertakings and staff development that start out as rough ore at Stitchwise always turn into the world's most coveted commodity, fine gold.